What if I told you that you can build a fully functional video calling application in just 10 minutes where user can join meetings, use their cameras and microphones, and even share their screens? If that sounds impossible, it's not. With Jigo Cloud, it's completely possible. You do not need to write tons of code that takes lots of your time. Jigo Cloud is a real-time communication platform that helps developers easily add features like video calling, audio calling, live streaming, and in-app chat without building everything from scratch. One of the biggest reasons developers choose Jigo Cloud is not only its powerful feature, but also how easy and fast it is to integrate. Before building, you need to access Jigo Cloud. Visit Jigo Cloud website, the link is in description, and sign up using your email. It's quick and simple. After signing up, you receive 10,000 free minutes to test, learn, and build your video calling application. These free credits are more than enough for practice and demo project. Jigo Cloud provides pre-built SDKs and ready-made UI kits, giving you a complete video call interface with camera and microphone handling, call control, and management feature. Everything is already built and tested, so instead of spending weeks designing UI and handling media logic, you just configure a few values and start using it. That's why Jigo Cloud is considered as low-code solution. The UI kit is what really makes Jigo Cloud stand out. Building a video call interface from scratch can be complex and time-consuming, but the UI kit, you get a clean professional interface in minutes. After signing up, you will access Jigo Cloud Console. This dashboard lets you manage everything related to your app. From here, you can create project, track usage, and access tools for building real-time video and audio applications. You can click on plus button to create a new project. Each project represents a separate app with its own configuration. Inside the project, you will find important details like App ID, which connects your app to Jigo Cloud, and the credentials like app sign and server secret. These credentials must remain private, so do not share these credentials to anyone. The user section shows how many free minutes you have used and how many are left. The resource section provides documentation, API references, UI kits, and demo app to help you build faster. Now let's create our project. Click Create Project, choose Video and Voice Call as the use case. Now scroll down and click on Next. After that, enter your project name. Next, you have to choose how you want to build your app. Use UI kit for ready-made component. It is simple and fast, and use custom SDKs if you want to build everything from scratch. We will select UI kit. Now it will initialize. After initialization, choose your platform. Here we select web. Now configure your video call app. You can choose one-to-one or group call and enable features like screen sharing, camera, microphone controls, and participant management. Once Jigo Cloud automatically generates a ready-to-use UI kit, you will also see a live preview of the video call interface where you can test camera, microphone permission, and see how your app will look in real time. And now you can download the configuration file. There is no complex backend setup or server configuration required. Everything is simple and fast. Now create a new folder and open it. Go to the address bar at the top and type cmd. This will open a command prompt directly inside that folder. Once the command prompt opens, type the following command and press enter. This command will automatically download and install React component inside your folder. It may take a few minutes, so just wait until our installation gets complete. And now open this folder in any code editor. And now come back to Jigo Cloud and open your project. Click on View Guide. This will open the Jigo Cloud UI Kit overview. Now scroll down to the Getting Started section and click here. Now we have to install SDKs in our folder. For that, copy the command, then come back to the command prompt and paste it. Before that, type cd video call app, so that SDK install inside our video call folder. And now paste the command. It will take some time to install. After installing, open the app.js file and remove the existing code. Then come back to Jigo Cloud overview, copy the provided code and paste it into app.js. And now pay attention here. We have to make some changes so that our app get linked to Jigo Cloud server. For that, we need to add app ID and server secret to our project. Now we will create .env file in our project directory and add the provided credential as shown. Now go back to Jigo Cloud project and copy paste the app ID and server secret one by one into the .env file and then save it. After that, return to app.js and add the required code to connect .env file with app.js. Now go to the command prompt and type npm start. This will start our local server. It will ask permission to access the camera and microphone. Allow it. Now click on Join Room As you can see, I have joined the room, but there is only one person in the call. So let's invite another person. For that, click on I button at the bottom, copy the invite link and open it in incognito mode. Change the name and click join. As you can see, both the users are now connected. You can also use the chatbot for the text messages, and everything is working in real time. We have successfully built a fully working real-time video calling app using Jio Cloud. In just a short time, we added a video calling, audio, screen sharing, chat, real-time communication, all without writing tons of complex code.